Mom told him to hook it up. What's Moby Dick's favorite dinner? Fish and chips. Okay. What do you get when you cross Darth Vader's son with a hamburger? The Luke Skywalker. Why was the teacher cross-eyed? She couldn't control her pupils. Why did the 25-watt bulb flunk out of school? He wasn't very bright. What kind of school does Sherlock Holmes attend? Elementary. Where are delinquent disk drives sent? To boot camp. Why was the couch afraid of the chair? The chair was armed. What kind